Morning, ma'am. Good morning po. Good afternoon kung nabasa niyo nung afternoon, then good evening. Ayun, so ma'am, ito po yung homework na pinapagawa niyo po sa amin about cyber responsibility. Do the audio.
Cybersecurity, ano kasi, to practice cyber responsibility, una sa lahat, kailangan, kapag, for example, galit ka sa isang tao, huwag mong idaan sa pag-post doon na ano yung nakakasakit sa kanya.
So, kaya po, I know, na-experience naman po namin na all of us experience different emotions, strong emotions that will really push us to do such things. Pero, may second, we always have a choice. And we have to make that perfect choice na mas makokontent po tayo yung feelings, yung nararamdaman po natin, bigat, sakit, o galit, kung kakausapin natin yung tao na yun, yung taong involved. And kung nasa person na po yun, kung paano niya po yun tatanggapin, at least you did your part and gumaan na po yung pakiramdam niya. Kaya yun po. So, medyo hindi na rin po worth it kung magpo-post po ng mga bad things. Ganun. Online. So, meron. Meron ka? So, I think we said our part now. Ma'am, idea. How to avoid cyberbullying?
How to get rid
Gusto
get
yun na.
rid of cyberbullying. Una sa lahat, syempre, kailangan mabait ka sa mga tao.
Understand. Be sensitive rin po.
Pag-post ng mga pictures, gano'n.
Pang blackmail. So, yun po. We did it. Thank you, ma'am. Yun lang po yung masasabi namin. So, ma'am, may ginawa kami. Ma'am, fan kami.
Ay, grabe, ang dami na natin sa
Kaya, ma'am, kakanta kami. Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Ma'am, I would like to thank si Ray po tsaka si Jessa nag-give ng time para mag-video sa amin.
It's been a while since you were fast.
Bye, ma'am! Okay, sige, ma'am. Hindi, joke. Sige, ma'am. So, we are proud to say that we are practicing cyber responsibility. Yay!
Take two!
Take two! We are proud to say we are practicing cyber responsibility. You should too. Yay!